human engineering and streamlined design. Suitable with humans' operations machine height, it is convenient to replace the cam needle and other parts. It's beneficial to save the debugging time. Improve production efficiency. Unique hanging type feeding nozzle design. The yarn guide and pad spandex is more stable. It is conducive to improving the speed of the machine production and keeping good quality stability of the product. Woven materials widely used: cotton yarn, polyester, TC. By changing the triangle arrangement can knit different woven fabrics of single-sided cloth, such as spandex single jersey, polyester cotton single-sided fleece cloth, color cloth, but also can produce single mesh cloth, etc.